In the beginning, God created Adam.
Hello.
And then there was Eve.
Hi!
And God gave them a magical refrigerator with all the food they could ever want.
Let's make dinner, Adam!
All right.
What, you're not gonna help?
Nah, I'm watching the game. Make me a pizza.
Okay! What should we put on the pizza? Mustard, jelly and peanut butter, mushrooms, put some meat, and berries. That should be good. Oh wait, God said I can't use the mushrooms.
Use the mushrooms.
Well, God said no.
Use them. Woman.
Okay. Adam, your delicious, not frozen at all mushroom, peanut butter, mustard pizza's ready!
Did you use the mushrooms that God told us we could not use?
No.
Okay. Oh.
Hello, Adam and Eve. I am God. You didn't eat my mushrooms, did you?
She did it.
Nope, nope.
Come on, guys.
She
I
told-
gave you one rule. You can eat everything in the magic fridge except for my mushrooms.
The woman told me there were no shrooms on the pizza.
The little man told me to do it.
Why me?
You told me the mushrooms were okay.
Those are my special mushrooms.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Dude.
How you like me now? I'm God. I smite people. And it was your fault. You told her to use the mushrooms.
No.
Bam! Now, wasn't there a third one? Where did Eve go?
Oh, I'm right here.
Oh, there you are. Now, I was thinking about it, and I didn't know if I was going to smite you, because, you did get tricked. It wasn't really your fault.
True.
So I'm not going to... BAM! I love smiting.
All my friends, yellow rider.